Things get truly bizarre.
Aide, no. No, manches, estás loca.
Oh.
You had my heart from the start, love. You gave me light at a dark time. And I can't lie, I miss them old days when I felt like you was all mine.
What's up, y'all? It's Red_baby, and I'm back with not back, but like with my first YouTube video and shit like that. So what we're gonna be doing is looking at 5 scary ghost videos that make you what the fuck they say? Paranoid. Wait, yeah.
Top 5 ghosts caught on camera. Follower. Over on the YouTube channel Franco TV, Frank is exploring the allegedly haunted Old South Pittsburgh Hospital in Tennessee. The hospital opened its doors in 1959 and housed sick and injured patients for nearly 40 years. Now, like pretty much any old hospital, the South Pittsburgh has a dark and tragic past. Hundreds of lives were lost inside its walls, and many witnesses claim that the
Baby, they live was lost. A lot on them, like, I don't know how many they said, but that means that they wasn't good doctors, so yeah, they should have been shut that shit now.
ghosts of some of these patients still roam the hospital halls. Among the reported encounters, witnesses claim to have seen strange shadow figures, the spirits of wandering former doctors and nurses, the ghosts of children, and even repeated incidents of objects being thrown or moved by an unseen force. As Franco TV begins his overnight investigation, he begins to hear some very odd noises.
I'm actually getting some noises. What the hell is that?
The chilling sound of a jingling bell echoes through the dark hallways. Franco eventually finds the small bell dangling in a hospital doorway, still mysteriously moving on its own. Dismissing the strange occurrence, he continues on to the hospital's pharmacy. It should be noted here that the hospital's current caretakers take great care to try to recreate what the hospital might have looked like when it was in service, so the shelves of the pharmacy are stocked with empty medicine bottles. Now, that may seem a little odd, but not nearly as odd as what happens next.
Well, this guy named House Flying Scene. I have my night vision to the other side there. Are you kidding me? Look at this. No freaking way.
As Frank enters, several of the empty pill bottles unexplainably tip over and fall onto the floor, now beginning to feel a bit uneasy.
Baby, he could have tied that junk to a, I ain't finna cook, but tied to that junk to a fucking screen. But what I could, but yeah. Anyways,
Easy.
Oh, it's still screen corn.
Frank continues his exploration, now checking out the hospital's former children's ward.
Okay, so So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go ahead and grab this. Oh my god. And it's on. Is that your horse?
Oh, what the fuck? I don't know how the fuck I'm watching it. Cause I might even be home and like be home by myself and like fucking and motherfucking. Hold up, I don't know what fucking time it is. Alexa, what time it is?
It's 10:09 a.m.
Oh, well, motherfucking 11 motherfucking o'clock. So I don't know why the fuck I'm watching this shit. Anyways,
Do you like playing with the horse? I feel like there's like a child spirit in this room. And it oddly got actually cold.
Soon after the rocking horse incident, Franco finishes up his investigation. But later, when he posts the video to YouTube,
see, that's that. I think so.
his viewers notice something that Franco didn't see. Something downright chilling. Now, throughout his investigation, Frank says that he feels like something is following him. Turns out, he might have been.
But first of all, you should never been fucking. And yeah, so.
Right. As Franco heads into one of the hospital rooms, his night vision camera captures a bizarre pale figure that seems to follow him inside. Could this be one of the patients that allegedly haunts the hospital grounds? Could it simply be a mist or... or a trick of the light? Let me know what you think down in the comments. To see more from...
We're gonna watch one more. And that's it, cool. You're making me mad now.
Franco's Investigations. Check out his YouTube channel, Franco TV. The Reaper's Warning. Facebook user Neri Kellerman is outside having a smoke when she sees her laughing neighbor standing on the ledge of the building next door. Neri starts recording as she asks her neighbor just what it is that she's doing.
No, manches, ¿estás loca? ¿Estás loca, verdad? No.
After the incident, Neri Kellerman posts a video on her WhatsApp with the title, My Neighbor is
I ain't asking no motherfucking Japanese business shit. What the fuck? I ain't asking for that shit.
Crazy. She got an odd, unexpected reply from one of her friends. Her friend Alan asks, is it me? Or is there someone behind her? Neri is shocked to her core. She posts the video to her Facebook page, and when someone in the comments brightens up the video, things get truly bizarre.
Aide, no. No, manches, ¿estás loca? ¿Estás loca, verdad?
No one can identify.
Okay, now. Okay. I see something going on now.
What the terrifying dark figure is, but some concerned viewers in the comments have speculated that it's the specter of death, standing beside her neighbor as she's being a bit too careful.
I don't do that death shit. I don't.
Fine, and did not get hurt. But just what do you think this ghastly figure is? Let me know down in the comments. Before we move on to the next video, if you see anything that you think should be included in the top 5, contact us at nukestop5@gmail.com. Caught on live stream. Young Twitch user West.
Okay, y'all. I'm done with this motherfucking video. So we are motherfucking air. About motherfucking like 10 minutes in the video now. So peace, y'all. See y'all next in another video. Fuck.
You had my heart from the start, love. You gave me light at a dark time. And I can't lie, I miss them old days when I felt like you was all mine.